Welcome back to the channel, where I share practical, hands-on tips for making money online and mastering the freelance lifestyle. Today we are tackling a major pain point for anyone who transcribes audio or works with media locked inside web browsers. Often, you need to grab video or audio from a platform that lacks a download button, which prevents you from doing essential cleanup work. Being able to pull these files lets you run noise reduction, boost volume, or feed clips into transcription tools that save hours of manual typing. Before we dive into the technical side, please remember that platform rules vary, so always prioritize the legal and ethical guidelines of your work. If you need to snag a full video file, my go-to tool is a powerful Chrome extension called Bulk Media Downloader. Once installed, this extension displays a list of all media assets detected on the page, letting you easily identify and grab the MP4 you need. Having that raw video file on your desktop makes the entire production process significantly faster and much more accurate. For those times when you only need to extract audio, Audio Downloader Prime is an incredibly simple and lightweight alternative. It quickly lists every audio track on the current page by name and file size, making the download process almost instantaneous. I have tested both of these tools across various freelance platforms, and they remain my most reliable method for quick media acquisition. Now let's move on to the creative part. What do you actually do once you have those long, cleaned up video files? Many of you are looking to repurpose long-form interviews into snackable social media clips, and that's where Vizard shines. While traditional editing tools are great, they often require hours of manual work to find those viral moments. Vizard takes a different approach by automatically analyzing your long videos and surfacing the most engaging soundbites for you. Plus, its auto-scheduling feature means you can queue your content across different platforms without ever having to babysit the process. This allows you to manage everything from a single, clean content calendar, keeping your workflow organized and efficient. Here's the workflow I recommend. Download the media, clean the audio, upload it to Vizard, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. In less than an hour, you can transform a single hour-long interview into a month's worth of high-quality social content. This creates a scalable system where you spend your time actually creating rather than getting stuck in the weeds of manual trimming. Always remember to keep a clean version of your original master file just in case you need to go back to it later. Also, be mindful of context when the tool picks your clips. Sometimes adding a second of let-in makes a world of difference for the viewer. To wrap things up, using these two Chrome extensions gives you the raw access you need to start your editing pipeline effectively. From there, Vizard handles the distribution, scheduling, and repurposing, turning manual chores into a streamlined, automated workflow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming deep dive tutorials. I have videos coming up that detail exactly how I clean up audio in Audacity and how to use auto transcription tools for maximum speed. Check out the next video on screen if you want to see a live demo of turning a full interview into a week of clips. Thanks so much for watching, and stay smart about the tools you use to build your freelance business.